What's up everyone? Welcome back. Today we're diving into a struggle every gamer knows. Why is picking a game so ridiculously hard? With hundreds of titles just a click away, you'd think it'd be simple. But instead, we end up scrolling through our libraries, staring at our backlogs, and somehow not playing anything. So let's break down why this happens, what's going on in our brains, and how we can finally stop overthinking and just enjoy the games we love. Let's start with the backlog. Most of us have way more games than we'll ever finish, thanks to sales, bundles, and subscriptions piling up. But here's the catch. Having dozens or even hundreds of choices doesn't feel like freedom. It feels like pressure. Every title in your library becomes a little unfinished task. Instead of excitement, you feel guilt. I bought this months ago and still haven't touched it. Psychologists call this the paradox of choice. The more options you have, the harder it is to commit, because you're worried about missing out on the others. So your backlog isn't just a collection, it's a constant source of stress. Now let's take a step back. Why is decision-making itself so tough? Every choice burns mental energy, and when you're tired, stressed, or overwhelmed, even small decisions feel massive. Picking a game isn't just hitting play, it's committing hours of your time, your focus, and your emotions. Games are immersive, so choosing one automatically means saying no to all the others. That's why it feels way heavier than deciding what snack to grab. And here's the kicker. We often tie identity to our choices. Am I the kind of gamer who dives into story-driven RPGs, or do I stick to competitive shooters? That self-reflection adds yet another layer of pressure. This is where overthinking takes over. Instead of just picking something fun, we start running endless mental simulations. If I dive into this RPG, will I actually have time to finish it? Do I try something new, or stick with my comfort game? What if I don't enjoy it and end up wasting the whole evening? That thought loop is what psychologists call analysis paralysis. It's when you overthink a decision so much that you don't make one at all. With gaming, it shows up as that endless scrolling through your library, chasing the perfect choice, until you've spent more time deciding than actually playing. Our brains get overwhelmed by too many options, and the fear of picking the wrong one makes us freeze. The irony is, the longer you debate, the less satisfying the choice feels once you finally make it. So, how do we break out of this loop? Here are a few practical strategies that actually work. Create a rotation system. Pick 3 to 5 games and make them your current playlist. Forget the rest of your backlog until you finish or drop one. Use a coin flip or randomizer. It might sound silly, but taking the choice out of your hands can free you up to just play. Match your mood, not your backlog. Ask yourself, do I want something relaxing, challenging, or social right now? Then pick a game that fits that vibe. Give yourself permission to quit. You don't have to finish every game. Sampling is totally fine. That mindset kills the guilt and makes starting way easier. Time box your decision. Give yourself 2 minutes max to choose. If you're still stuck, default to a comfort game. That way, you're playing instead of endlessly scrolling. So next time you're stuck staring at your library, remember, it's not laziness, it's psychology. Your backlog, decision fatigue, and overthinking all pile up to make choosing harder than it should be. But with a few simple tricks, like narrowing your options, matching your mood, or even flipping a coin, you can break the cycle and actually enjoy the games you've collected. If this helped, drop a comment with the game you finally jumped into after watching. I might even do a follow-up on smarter backlog management. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.